What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Horsepower Obsessed. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual, and you're going to notice right off the bat that it's filmed with the PDR in my ZR1, and it's actually from last year's Corvettes at Carlisle. My friend Scott and I stayed at an Airbnb that was well off the beaten path, and it was on some twisties. So I filmed some stuff of me driving through the twisties with the ZR1, and I meant to upload it last year, but it never got uploaded. So I thought this is the perfect time to talk to you guys about Corvettes at Carlisle 2021. So let's talk about it for a second. For Corvettes at Carlisle this year, I will have the giveaway C5 Corvette. So be sure to come over to my spot right beside the food court. It will be spaces A85 through A90. All will be taken up with Horsepower Obsessed and some special guests. So be sure to look for the tent, which will look like this. You'll also see the C5 Corvette sitting there in all of its beauty for you guys to possibly win. I will have merch on hand, so if you want to enter to win this car, you can do so in person. I will also have my ZR1, but it will be parked over with the AWE crowd. So everybody who wants to hear what the exhaust sounds like on a C7 Corvette will get to hear it on this beautiful ZR1. So I will be bouncing back and forth between the AWE booth and my Horsepower Obsessed booth to make sure you guys all get entered to win this beautiful C5 if you're interested, of course. But I just wanted to give you guys that little bit of an update for Corvettes at Carlisle this year. I'm going to go ahead and start playing the footage for you now. It's just some country roads and some back road driving in the ZR1. Anyway, roll the footage. All right, guys, so I don't know how well you can hear me, but the road that the place that we're staying at is on is actually like basically a freaking racetrack. So it's actually a pretty interesting drive out, and I thought I'd film some of it for you. I don't even know if this is going to make the video cut for Carlisle, but if not, Scott and I stayed at a place for Corvettes at Carlisle that has a very interesting back road approach to the actual house, and it's very track oriented. So I thought I'd take you guys along for the drive. Let me know if you liked what you saw. It was actually an absolute blast driving these roads, but I'll shut up and let the car sing. So these parts of the roads are a little bit gravelly, but once we get out to the actual main part of the road, it is an absolute blast. So stay tuned.
on Wagoners Gap Road.
Here's the real fun, guys.
Continue straight for 12 minutes to North Middleton Road.
All right, so we have caught up to some people, so it's not going to be as entertaining now. So I'm going to kind of end it right here. If you guys liked what you saw, give me a big thumbs up. Like I said, this road was absolutely a blast to drive on. I may actually record it again driving back to the actual place we're staying at because it's that fun. But anyway, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm going to have loads of content like this coming for the C7 and the C8 that you are not going to want to miss. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next upload. How would you like to win this Corvette? It may be a lot easier than you may think. If you guys aren't familiar with my YouTube channel, it is called Horsepower Obsessed, and I just recently hit 50,000 subscribers, and because of that, I wanted to give back. All you have to do is go to my website, horsepowerobsessed.com, scroll down and click on the HPO merchandise section. Every $10 you spend is one entry to win this beautiful C5 Corvette. So right off the bat, we have the black diamond wheels, which gives the car an amazingly updated appearance. In the front end, we have the entire bumper and hood covered with XPEL paint protection, thanks to our friends at Blackout Tinting. The rest of the car has been paint corrected and ceramic coated. So you are getting one of the best examples of what Chevy had to offer with Corvette with this specific car. If you want to follow along with the mods on this particular car until the deadline of the giveaway, check out my YouTube channel, Horsepower Obsessed, and make sure you get entered before October 12th, 2021, so you can possibly take this car home with you.